today I'm doing an unboxing, sort of. It's not like a subscription. This is something I ordered, so I just want you to see what I purchased. And the reason this is so exciting to me is because it's by a YouTuber. His name is Rich Lux. A lot of you probably heard of him. If you haven't, you're missing out. He's hilarious. He's a drama channel. He just tells jokes. He wears like clown makeup. Anyways, but I used to watch him all the time, and he's actually the reason I finally did my first video. Around New Year's, he put a video out about New Year, New Me, something like that, like making fun of how people always have their New Year's resolution. And anyways, and he just said, just do it already. Like, y'all always say New Year, New Me, well, just do it. And so anyways, he was like, and if it's YouTube, just turn the camera on, whatever. If it's a phone, whatever. And so he basically encouraged me to get off my ass and turn on my phone and start recording. And here I am today. And so anyway, he doesn't know me, of course, but it did encourage me. And so when he did this collab with Gerard Cosmetics, I wanted to give back and order something that he's doing. So here we go. This is what it looks like. I haven't opened it yet. But he has a lot of like funny sayings. Like, so he always says, busted the house. I look busted the house. So that's what they came up with, was it's a house. He saw how influencers were always getting PR packages in the mail, and they were always like really nice and decked out. And so he wanted the everyday person to get that type of experience. And so everybody who ordered this package would get kind of like the PR package. So anyways, I thought it was a really cool idea, and it's a play on how he always says, busted the house, okay? So some of y'all have already seen this, I'm sure, especially if you're a Rich Lux fan. But if not, I still wanted to show it off. Okay, so I'm gonna open mine. It's kind of been disheveled from the mail. Let me put it back in its place, how it's supposed to go. Okay, I got it back together. So this is what it looks like. So this is super cute. So everybody who orders one is gonna get an actual house. And so I wanted one as a collector's item because, like I said, for me, I love Rich Lux, but it's also a memory of, this resembles to me, like it's a memory like why I started YouTube. Obviously I had my reasons, but this person influenced me to get off my butt and do it. And so anyway, I like that this will be sitting there as a memory, like, girl, you need to go film. So anyway, so here's my busted the house. So it's Rich Lux and Gerard Cosmetics, and it's called the Ice Cream Shack. Is that not super cute? Cruelty free. Okay. And it says slay all day on the other side. And it's a setting spray set. So then what happens is the roof opens up, and it comes with 3 different setting sprays. So this is Rich Lux. So like I said, he always does like clown makeup. He's hilarious. Y'all need to watch him if you haven't already. So apparently he was autographing some of them. And if you were lucky, you got to autograph them. I didn't, but that's okay. Like I said, he already made a difference in my life. So isn't that cute? Okay, so that's Rich Lux. And there's 2 different scents. Everybody will get the same ones. It's mint chocolate chip, and the other one is like, I don't remember what it's called. Let me look. Yeah, dreamsicle. Okay, so dreamsicle is gonna smell like a dreamsicle. It's supposed to smell amazing. So this is what the bottle looks like. It comes with 3 different sprayers. So these came separate in here. And then this is sealed for you. So it literally looks like a dreamsicle color. Oh my God, it smells just like it. That's amazing. Okay, so there's that one. And I think the mini is the mint chocolate chip. Okay, so you'll get a big mint chocolate chip and a mini mint chocolate chip, and then a big dreamsicle. And that's how this set comes. And this was $59. However, if any of you have heard of Just Ann, I will link her video, not her video, I will link her channel in the description box below. You should check her out and go subscribe, definitely. But I was lucky because I've subscribed to her, and she happens to have a code special with Gerard Cosmetics that saved me 30% off my purchase. So I got permission from Ann, and I am posting that link below. So if you're interested in purchasing this, you can use that link. I will have it below, and you can save 30% off of this purchase. So 30% off of $59 is a good deal, ladies and gentlemen. So I highly recommend you do that. This is the mini. That's still a good size. And I want to smell this one too. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know. I know a lot of people are saying they like dreamsicle, but I think I like mint chocolate chip better. But anyways, I've seen people spray them in their videos. They spray amazing, so I don't even need to check that. I want to keep them sealed for now. But like I said, you've got the 3 different pumps that come with it. I'm still debating if I even want to use them, just because I'm such a Rich Lux stan. I might want to just like leave them as like my little museum of Rich Lux. I know I'm stupid, but when you're a fan, you're a fan. Oh, and it says this too. When you open it up, it says, "I love you so much, Rich Lux." And that's something else he always says. Anyways, I'm so excited. Hopefully you liked my little haul. It was a small haul, it was one thing, but I'm giddy because I love Rich Lux. Hopefully you guys do too. If not, hopefully you go check him out. I will link the 30% off link down below for you. I will link Just Ann's channel for you to check her out. She's amazing. And I will also link Rich Lux's channel below for you to check him out, because he's freaking amazing. So anyways, hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you. Don't forget, you can't spell original without Gina. And see you in the next video.